Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: What is economic development? Economic development is a multifaceted concept that encompasses the process by which a nation improves the economic, political, and social well-being of its people. Unlike economic growth, which primarily focuses on an increase in a country's output or GDP, economic development covers a broader spectrum that includes improvements in standards of living, reduction in poverty, and enhancement of individual and communal opportunities. Economic development involves structural changes in the economy, advancements in technology, improved health and education systems, and equitable distribution of wealth and resources. Economic development is rooted in several theoretical frameworks that have evolved over time. One of the earliest theories is the linear stages of growth model, proposed by economist Walt Rostow in the 1960s. Rostow suggested that economic development occurs in 5 stages: traditional society, preconditions for takeoff, drive to maturity, and age of high mass consumption. This model, though influential, has been criticized for its Eurocentric perspective and its assumption that all countries follow a similar path to development. Another significant theory is the structural change model, exemplified by the work of Arthur Lewis. The Lewis model posits that economic development is driven by the transfer of labor from the traditional agricultural sector to the modern industrial sector, resulting in increased productivity and income. This theory underscores the importance of industrialization in economic development and has been supported by historical evidence from countries like South Korea and Taiwan, which experienced rapid industrial growth and economic development in the latter half of the 20th century. Contemporary approaches to economic development emphasize the role of institutions, innovation, and human capital. Economist Daron Acemoglu and political scientist James Robinson argue that inclusive institutions, those that provide a level playing field and encourage participation by the broad population, are crucial for sustainable economic development. This perspective highlights the importance of governance, rule of law, and property rights in fostering an environment conducive to economic growth and development. Innovation and technological advancement are also central to economic development. Economist Paul Romer introduced the endogenous growth theory, which emphasizes the role of knowledge, innovation, and human capital as key drivers of economic growth. Countries that invest in research and development, education, and technology infrastructure tend to experience faster economic development. For instance, the United States and Japan have leveraged their technological prowess and innovation ecosystems to achieve high levels of economic development. Human capital, encompassing the education, skills, and health of the population, is another critical factor in economic development. Nobel laureate Amartya Sen's capability approach underscores the importance of enhancing individuals' capabilities and freedoms as a measure of development. This approach shifts the focus from mere economic metrics to a broader assessment of human well-being and potential. Investments in education and healthcare not only improve individual quality of life, but also contribute to economic productivity and growth. For example, countries like Finland and Singapore have achieved remarkable economic development by prioritizing education and human capital development. Economic development is also influenced by globalization and international trade. Open economies that participate in global markets tend to experience higher growth rates due to access to larger markets, foreign investment, and technology transfer. However, globalization can also exacerbate inequalities and create challenges for developing countries. For instance, while China has benefited immensely from its integration into the global economy, other countries have struggled to compete and protect their domestic industries. Sustainable development has emerged as a crucial consideration in contemporary economic development discourse. The United Nations Sustainable Development Goals provide a comprehensive framework that integrates economic, social, and environmental dimensions of development. Achieving these goals requires balancing economic growth with environmental sustainability and social inclusion. For example, renewable energy investments not only drive economic growth but also address environmental concerns and create green jobs. Thus, economic development is a complex and dynamic process influenced by a multitude of factors, including historical context, institutional frameworks, innovation, human capital, and global interconnectedness. The interplay of these elements shapes the trajectory of development for different countries, resulting in diverse outcomes and experiences. Understanding the multifaceted nature of economic development is essential for formulating effective policies and strategies that promote sustainable and inclusive growth. Economic development is not a one-size-fits-all process. It requires tailored approaches that consider the unique context and challenges of each country. Policymakers must address structural constraints, invest in human capital, foster innovation, and build inclusive institutions to create an enabling environment for development. Moreover, international cooperation and partnerships play a pivotal role in supporting development efforts, particularly for low-income countries. In conclusion, economic development encompasses a broad array of factors and dimensions that go beyond mere economic growth. It involves improving the quality of life, reducing poverty, and creating opportunities for all individuals. Theories and models of economic development provide valuable insights, but they must be adapted to the specific circumstances of each country. Sustainable development, inclusive institutions, innovation, and human capital are key drivers of economic development, and their interplay determines the success and sustainability of development efforts. As the global landscape continues to evolve, understanding and addressing the complexities of economic development remain crucial for achieving a prosperous and equitable world. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.